The Chevrolet Silverado is a full-size and heavy-duty pickup truck with seating for 5 passengers. It was manufactured by General Motors and was introduced back in 1999 as the successor to the long-running Chevrolet CK line. Today, I'm proudly to present to you the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado High Country with black exterior. The High Country is a top-of-the-line model and comes loaded with options. Some equipment that comes standard with the High Country model includes a unique grille, 20-inch chrome wheels, front and rear parking sensor, cargo box tie-down, a spray-on bed liner, a 7-speaker Bose audio system, ventilated front bucket seat with 4-way power lumbar support, second-row floor mat, wireless phone charging, navigation system, as well as many other features. This year, the Chevrolet Silverado received its first mid-cycle refresh. The refreshed Silverado received a new grille, headlights, and front fascia, with design influences from the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado, as well as the reworked taillight. Inside, the available touchscreen boasts quicker response time and gain Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. On the safety side, the High Country Premium package includes the Enhanced Driver Alert package that adds a lane departure intervention system and forward collision assist. The Premium package also includes the IntelliBeam system, safety alert seat, heated steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, as well as the trailer brake controller. At the heart of the powerful Silverado lineup is the world-class Ecotec 3 engine. Each engine combines proven technologies like the active fuel management, direct fuel injection, and continuously variable valve timing to bring you strength, efficiency, and performance you can rely on. Up front, the first thing you will notice is the LED headlamps with LED signature daytime running light, as well as LED turn signal light. Very cool looking headlight. At the bottom, you can see the pair of LED fog lights. Park assist and chrome accented trims are also integrated into the front bumper. In the middle is the newly refreshed chrome grille with a Chevrolet logo in the middle. Very aggressive looking front end. It also comes with intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Moving to the side, you see the standard 20-inch chrome wheels with 275/55 tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with black painted brake caliper. High Country badge on the door, and there's the chrome side seals and the power retractable step running boards to ease your entry and exit. Side view mirror with LED turn signal indicator on the mirror. On top you can see the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 20 inches. Behind the rear wheel is also the internally ventilated brake disc and the brake caliper painted in silver as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, stability track, as well as stability control system with brake assist. Tire pressure monitoring system are also equipped on all 4 wheels. And there you can see it is a 4x4. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the newly refreshed LED taillight. Integrated into the taillight is the LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. And you also have another High Country badge on the liftgate. At the bottom is the black rear bumper with step on each corner for easier access. And there you can see the trailer hitch that can tow a total of 12,000 pounds of towing capacity. And there's the light plug. And here you have the key to release your spare tires, I guess. And here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. So as you can see, the trunk bed is very spacious, and this is the crew cab with standard bed with a height of 21.10 inches, length of 78.87 inches, and width of 51.3 inches. Total cargo volume is 61 cubic feet with a ground clearance of 8.93 inches. So it is fairly easy to close the lift gate. And on top you have the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote with Chevrolet logo on the back. On the remote I have the engine start, lock, unlock, as well as panic button. Now to start the engine, you first have to press the lock button and press and hold the engine start button, and it'll start. And to stop the engine, just press it once again to stop. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the exterior color is known as black, featuring saddle brown leather interior with white piping on the seat, as well as High Country badge on the headrest. And it also comes with wood trims as well as silver aluminum trims throughout. Very good looking interior. Okay, so to start up the vehicle, just put your foot on the brake and insert the key into the key ignition and turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado High Country have to offer. Under the hood is a 6.2 liter V8 Ecotec 3 engine, which features strong aluminum block construction, 8-speed automatic transmission with direct fuel injection, as well as active fuel management and variable valve timing. It is pushing out 420 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 460 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 15 city, 21 highway, and 17 combined. Now this mighty power plant is expected to make Silverado one of the most powerful light-duty pickup truck available. The Ford F-150 is a full-size pickup truck manufactured by Ford Motor Company. It is currently in its 13th generation. The F-150 is the most popular full-size pickup truck in America. It is also the best-selling vehicle in the United States for the past 32 years. For 2015, the Ford F-150 is available in 5 different trims levels, starting out with the XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, and last, the Platinum model. Today, I'm proudly to present to you the 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew 3.5 liter V6 with EcoBoost engine, dressed beautifully in white platinum metallic. Note for 2015, the Ford F-150 weight had been significantly reduced. It is now over 700 pounds lighter thanks to the extensive use of aluminum in the body structure and high-strength steel in the frame for less weight. As a result, the F-150 now offers better fuel efficiency, greater towing and payload capacity, improved power-to-weight ratio for faster accelerations, enhanced handling and braking responsiveness. The new F-150 also comes loaded with the latest advanced technology, some of which include video cameras throughout the surrounding exterior, an over-the-top 360-degree view camera offering a complete outside view of the vehicle, not to mention the large panoramic sunroof that offers sweeping skyward view to both the front and the rear passenger. Other features include the large 8-inch productivity screen in the instrument cluster and the large 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system located in the center stack that are very user-friendly. Up front, the 2015 Ford F-150 is very bold looking. It is bolder and wider than previous model. And the first thing you will notice is the newly redesigned LED headlight. LED headlights with integrated LED turn signal light. Very stylish looking headlight. At the bottom is the pair of halogen freeform fog light. In the middle, you can see the newly redesigned chrome grille with Ford logo in the middle. And front camera is located right under the Ford logo. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the optional 20-inch chrome-like PVD wheels with 275/55 Al all-terrain tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the large brake caliper which will help the F-150 stop faster. F-150 Lariat badge on each fender. Chrome side view mirror with LED turn signal indicator. EcoBoost badging on the door. And here's the angular chrome step board that comes with the Lariat package. On top is the large panoramic sunroof that covers roughly the entire roof. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and comes with 275/55 Al all-terrain tires as well. Behind the rear wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs, as well as the brake caliper painted in silver. It also comes with 4-wheel disc brake with anti-lock braking system. And here is a look at the trunk bed. It is very spacious. And the lift gate are very easy to open and is very light in weight. And as you can see, there's hook on all 4 sides. And a closer look at the hook. Lift gate are very easy to lift up. And for the first time, the tailgate can now be opened remotely by the remote. Very nice convenience feature. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the stylish LED tail light with integrated turn signal light as well as brake light. Very cool looking LED strip that outline the tail light. At the bottom is the single chrome tip exhaust. Parking sensor are also integrated into the rear bumper. Here is the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. Trailer hitch with over 12,000 pounds of towing capacity. And there's the trailer light plug. Two types of light plug. LED brake light on top. Okay, so here I have the remote. Ford logo on the back. On the remote, I have the lock, unlock, remote engine start button, trunk release button, and panic button. Now to start the engine remotely, you have to press the lock button first and press the engine start button twice to start the engine. And just press it once again to stop. Okay, so let's open it up and check out the interior. The F-150 does come with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, just press the black button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as white platinum metallic, featuring two-tone black and camel leather interior seat with chrome, silver, and wood trims throughout. Very spacious interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brakes, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 F-150 have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine with electronic engine control system, aluminum engine block and cylinder head, high-pressure direct fuel injection, electronic 6-speed automatic transmission, pushing out 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 6.2 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 17 city, 23 highway, and 19 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The Toyota Tundra is a full-size pickup truck manufactured in the US by the Japanese manufacturer Toyota since 1999. The one I have here today is the 2015 Toyota Tundra Crew Max 1794 edition. It is the top-of-the-line version with loaded-up options. The new Toyota Tundra received a new facelift since 2014, which featured a larger grille, more enhanced fenders, a redesigned tailgate and tail light, as well as a completely redesigned interior. The interior features a standard 3.5-inch information screen, Bluetooth connectivity, back camera, updated ergonomics, as well as a completely new dashboard. For 2015, the 4-liter V6 engine has been replaced with a 4.6-liter V8 engine rated at 310 horsepower and 327 pound-feet of torque. And the top-of-the-line model, which is the one we have here today, is equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine that pushes out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, which is enough to tow over 10,000 pounds behind its tails. Up front, you see the multi-reflector halogen headlights with manual level control with LED daytime running lights as well as turn signal light. Silver lower front bumper with chrome end caps and chrome grille surround with unique silver grille insert. Fog lights and parking sensor are also integrated into the front bumper. And here is a closer look at the grille. Chrome accent trims on the hood cover. Variable intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with 20-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels with 275/55 performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of power-assisted ventilated 13.9-inch disc brake with a post 4-piston brake caliper for the front and 13.6-inch ventilated rear brake disc as well as star safety system. $17.94 edition badging on each front door. Chrome heated power and auto dimming outside mirror with turn signal indicator with folding options. And here is the chrome step bar with black rubber insert for better grip. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. The Tundra also features independent coil spring, high-mounted double wishbone front suspension with stabilizer bar and low-pressure nitrogen gas fuel shock absorbers, live axle with trapezoidal multi-leaf rear suspension with stagger outboard mounted low-pressure nitrogen gas fuel shock absorbers. To the back, you see the halogen tail lamp. Integrated into the tail lamp is the brake lamp as well as the turn signal lamp. Matte black center rear bumper with chrome end caps with parking sensor integrated into the rear bumper. And here's the towing hitch with 10,000 pounds towing capacity. And 2 types of light plug for the trailer. The rear camera is located next to the tailgate door handle. The lift gate are very easy to lower and lift. Now the Tundra Crew Max features a very spacious bed with hooks on all 4 corners with a dimension of 66.7 in length and 22.2 inches in height. Total bed width is 66.4 inches and between the wheel wells are right at 50 inches. And ground clearance are right at 10.4 inches. Alright, so the Crew Max does come with a keyless remote, but this is the one that I was provided. So let's unlock it and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as Super White, featuring two-tone interior with Texas-style leather seats, black on the dash and door panels, with silver accenting trims and wood trims all around. Very interesting interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So just insert the key into the key ignition located on the right. Turn it once to start. Alright, now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Toyota Tundra Crew Max 5.7 liter V8 engine have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.7 liter aluminum I-Force V8 engine, DOHC 32 valve with dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence, 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, with sequential shift mode and uphill and downhill shift logic, pushing out 380 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 107 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 13 city, 18 highway, and 15 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup truck manufactured in the US by the American auto manufacturer General Motors. The one I have here today is the 2017 GMC Sierra Denali 1500 4-wheel drive crew cab. It is the top of the line version with loaded up options. The GMC Denali nameplate is used by GMC on its top of the line truck. The name applied to the top version of all SUV as well as pickup trucks in the GMC lineup. Vehicle with the Denali trim option carry MSRP up to 47% higher than those of the regular models. This year, the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 is available in 4 trim levels, starting out with the base model. Next up is the SLE, SLT, and last, the Denali, which is what I have here today. They are also available in various cab and bed configuration. Under the hood, this particular model features a 6.2-liter V8 Ecotec engine that comes with the Ultimate package. It is pushing out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. With that being said, the Sierra is among the quickest accelerating full-size pickup truck available. The current generation GMC Sierra 1500 pickup truck is currently in its 3rd model year. Having received a substantial refresh last year, it's still a rebadged twin to the Chevrolet Silverado, so very little difference between the two trucks beyond cosmetics and sticker price. Still, both are very uniformly accomplished. For 2017, the GMC Sierra remains unchanged. It brings a few minor upgrades such as active grille shutters that reduce aerodynamic drag, a cabless fuel neck, and some enhancement to the infotainment system. Otherwise, this remains the same trusty and wildly competent pickup truck that it has been for the past few years. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the set of IntelliBeam headlamp with LED daytime running light as well as LED turn signal light. LED headlights are very unique and stylish. GMC lettering are also integrated inside the headlamp assembly. Very cool looking headlights. A pair of LED fog lights and parking sensor are also integrated into the front bumper. And there's also 2 hooks in the front. And a closer look at the grille finish in chrome with GMC logo in the middle. Very aggressive. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Now moving to the side, you see that this particular model comes upgraded with 22-inch with multi-spoke wheels with 285/45 tires. Behind the wheel is the set of power assisted internally ventilated brake discs with 4-wheel disc brake with dual live rotors. I love the wheel design. And there's the Denali badging on each front door, as well as the chrome molding. And there you also have the extendable step bar with rubber inserts, as you can see. And here's the chrome side view mirror. It also comes with LED turn signal indicator on the mirror. On top you have the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Now rear wheels are also 22 inches. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with dual live rotor as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, stability track stability control as well as hill start assist. Tire pressure monitoring system are also equipped on all 4 wheels. Now I love the wheel nut design on this particular wheel. Okay, to the back, you see the signature LED tail lamp. Integrated into the tail lamp is the LED brake lamp as well as LED turn signal lamp. It does also comes with chrome accents inside the tail lamp assembly. Very cool design. There you have the Denali badge. At the bottom is the single chrome tip exhaust as well as the body color rear bumper with end caps, as well as parking sensor integrated into the rear bumper. And there's the spare tire below, and the trailer towing hitch with a towing capacity of 12,500 pounds. And there's the light plug. You have two type of different light plug. And a closer look at the step bar. And there you have the huge GMC logo on the back. Rear view camera is located right above, under the rear door handle. The lift gate are very easy to lower and lift. Now this Sierra crew cab features a short box, but still are very spacious compared to other truck in its class, with hooks on all four corners, with a dimension of 69.33 in length and 21.10 in height. Total bed width is 51.3 inches between the wheel wells, and ground clearance are right at 8.9 inches. Okay, here I have the remote with GMC logo on the back. On the remote I have the start and stop, lock, unlock, and panic button. Now to start the vehicle, you have to press the lock button first, hold and press the start engine button for about 10 seconds to start, and press it once again to stop. Alright, now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the exterior color is known as Onyx Black with chrome door handle, featuring a full black leather interior with premium wood trims, as well as chrome accenting trims throughout, black on the dash and door panels with silver contrast stitching all around. Very nice and spacious interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So to start it up, just insert the key into the key ignition and turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2017 GMC Sierra Denali have to offer. Under the hood is a 6.2 liter V8 Ecotec engine, features strong aluminum block construction